Let's see how to change author information in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that you want to save a document under your name. However, you notice that the author of your document isn't yourself or isn't the person that originally wrote the document. And so what you can do is you can either change the author name, and to do that, simply click on the File tab and now click on Info, and you'll see here under Related People the author of the document. And currently it is this one right here. And to edit this, simply right click on that, click on Edit Property, and you should be able to edit or enter the name or email address of the author of the document. And so once that's done, click on OK, and that could add as an author right there. Additionally, you can also manually add an author by clicking on this field right here. And that is how you can change the author information in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.